So today we've got a few stops. We've got a couple jobs going. We're going to go and inspect. Check on the progress of the crew, make sure that everything's going well and they have everything that they need. Make sure they don't have any questions for us on site once they actually get there. So after the review we do beforehand, this always looks a little different once you're on the ground. So now we're in Lancaster City. We're here to check on the crew and see the progress of this job. Make sure they don't have any questions for us. Make sure we can get them all taken care of. So we wrapped up here with the guys, made sure that everything is good, that they have a plan for how to accomplish some of the more nuanced, kind of challenging aspects of that job, and made sure that all the material they have is what they need and everything is right. So we're going to head to our next job. We've got a final inspection to do. So this is where we go back and do a final once over of an entire project, roof and site, to make sure that the roof and all the details on the roof are as planned, and that the job site is all cleaned up. Guys have done the work, everything is taken care of. Now we're just out here to look at things a few days later to make sure that none of the little details were missed, that things are really squared away in the way we like them.